To set up the Eduma Education WordPress theme properly, checkmark Step-by-Step Eduma Theme Setup Guide 1. Install the Eduma theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme. Upload eduma.zip and click Install Now. Click Activate after installation. 2. Install required plugins. Once activated, you'll see a message to install required plugins. Click Begin installing plugins. Install and activate plugins like LearnPress, LMS Plugin, Elementor or WPBakery, choose one. Revolution Slider, Contact Form 7, Thim Core. 3. Activate theme license. Go to Appearance, Theme License or Thim Core. Enter your purchase code to receive updates and demo data. 4. Import demo content. One click, go to Thim Core, Demo Importer. Choose a demo that matches your niche, e.g., university, course hub, etc. Click Import. This includes pages, posts, menus, and media. Warning: if the import fails, make sure your server meets recommended PHP settings. 5. Customize your site. Go to Appearance, Customize to change logo, colors, fonts. Adjust header, footer, and layout. Use Elementor or WPBakery to edit pages visually. 6. Set up LMS. LearnPress. Go to LearnPress Settings to configure pages, course, profile, checkout, payments, PayPal, Stripe, etc. Currency, checkout, etc. Create courses from LearnPress Courses. 7. Set homepage and blog page. Go to Settings, Reading. Choose Static Page. Set homepage and blog pages.